Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean, or Mustang09, bringing you a new video, and today I'm excited to announce we have a modification, really the first significant mod for our side-by-side. So this is a 2022, I think, or 23, I don't remember. That's bad that I don't remember. But this is a Yamaha Viking 6, because it has the 6 seats. It is the EPS, so it's the electronic power steering. It's a really cool machine. It does have a 700cc engine, I think 699 technically, sized motor in it. It has locking front and rear diffs, 4-wheel drive. As you can see, 6 seats there. Very nice, very roomy and spacious. Guy like me, grown man, can fit in the back, and it's not too crazy. It came with this top on it, so this is a Yamaha factory soft top. It has some upgraded wheels. This thing is dirty, so we do need to wash it, but my hunt starts in 3 days. My hunt starts Saturday. I'm gonna be using this machine, so I haven't washed it. We also have this gun bag in the back. I bought this from my neighbor. He got it on Amazon, so I don't really know. But we're here to talk about this guy right here. This is a Lightbar supplied to us. This is a sponsored video by Nilight. Nilight reached out. They liked the videos we make with the Mustang and the truck. I said, hey guys, I've got this awesome new side-by-side. Really pumped on it. I want to put some LED lights on it because the factory lights, let's see if we can show you guys. Turn, I walked around the long way. Turn the key, and we'll turn the lights. As you can see, just standard halogen bulbs. So really boring, not super bright. But this light bar will go across the top here and hopefully make a world difference. It's a very popular option for these things. I've seen it on the Facebook groups for this, so I'm excited to try it out. And I kid you not, 100% honest truth, I've had this same light bar sitting in my Amazon cart since we bought this thing almost. I got on the Viking Facebook group and everybody was recommending this specific light bar, a Nilight. I forget how long it is. It's like 51 or 52 inches, but I'll verify that. And I put it in my cart along with these brackets, and it's been there for a few months now. And Nilight actually reached out and were like, hey man, we want to sponsor you. Are you down? And I said, I'm down. Send me a light. So they sent this out. I'm pumped. I have cut the box, but I have not opened it. So this is the first I am seeing this. I'm pretty excited. We have a light bar. Thank you for choosing Nilight. So we have our brackets here. This is multiple brackets, so this is not all just for one. I believe this is like an 8-pack of brackets. Yeah, so when we put them together, they'll look like that. They have couplers inside, so that if you have a different size tubing on your roll bar, it will fit all of these 1 inch all the way up to 2 inch. For the light bar, it comes with these brackets here along with some hardware. However, we're not using those. We are just going to mount it straight to these brackets, and with the thickness of my roll bar, we can't use any padding, so it is going to be metal on metal. I want to make sure I don't slide it, so I don't chew up the bars as least as possible. So up here, these brackets are installed. Very simple to do. It's just 2 Allens with a lock washer. These are just kind of loose right now. They're not super tight. I want to make sure I have it lined up and it's horizontal before we snug everything down. So I've installed those brackets, one on either side, and we have our light bar here with our wire. Here is the hardware we'll use. So we have a lock washer, a washer, and the bolt, all supplied to us by Nilight. Yours is in. Ooh la la. Oh, I forgot. This has like, it's brighter outwards, I think, and this is more beam in the middle because you can see the difference in the lights. All right, guys, it's been a few days now the Lightbar has been functional, up and running. I'm here to fill you in on the rest of the process that I did to install this Lightbar. So as you guys saw, it had a shorter harness that came out of it. So I had to order or use one of my other harnesses. I attached it here. It is heat shrinked underneath the tape. That's just an extra precaution. So it's tied up to that bar there. If we come underneath the hood, you can see we go to the power and the ground. It's super simple. That was very easy. This bundle here is because my harness actually has 2 connecting points. So I have another one of those right here if I ever wanted to run anything to like the front. If I wanted to run a smaller light bar up to the front or what have you not. For the switch, I came up underneath. It's zip tied to this bar on the inside to try and keep it away from anything on the ground level. But the switch is plugged in there and it runs up to this bar. And the current situation is it just kind of hangs out here. I've got it zip tied up. I don't know where or if I want to drill into the dash. Obviously there's a blank panel here for that so that I could put switches there. I have plenty of switch length underneath here if I wanted to run it over there. So for the time being, it just goes here. Everything works as it should. And it has been awesome. I will go ahead and insert the clips now of the before and the after with me driving at night. And it's amazing. Our regular lights, those are the lows and the highs. Then we'll turn on the light bar. Holy smokes. That's insane. Lows, highs with the light bar. You can't even see the stock headlights from outside. That's insane-o. That's a ripper of a light right there. Sweet. As you guys saw in those clips, this thing lights up the road, it lights up the trail, and I couldn't be happier, man. I've already recommended it to my neighbor over there. He has the same side-by-side. He ordered his. I have extra brackets thanks to Nilight for the sponsorship on that. And I'm gonna go help him wire his up here this coming up week. It's been great for hunting season. Hunting season opened a couple of weekends ago here in Utah, so it's been super useful to have this. Going up early in the morning or coming off the mountain late at night, I can see everything. It lights it all up. I can see all the birds and the mice and the squirrels and the deer and everything on the road as I'm coming down the mountain, and it's been awesome. So huge thanks to Nilight. I'll leave a link in the description. There'll be Amazon links. They help me out, so thanks for using those. But for the price of this thing, it's super valuable. I mean, the value to your benefit is insane. It's off the chart. You're gonna really like it. Once again, thanks to Nilight for sponsoring this video, and I hope to catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.